Okay, so today I'm taking you back again to my small kitchen, and I'm sharing with you how I organized and restocked my fridge. In fact, I haven't done any of organization when we downsized to this place, so it's a good time to do this together with you guys. So I'm restocking the fridge, and my spice and flatware drawers will be tackled too. So if you have like a small kitchen like me, you know how it's important, guys, to stay organized and make the most of every inch of space. I'll be sharing some easy tips, a few budget-friendly finds, and showing you exactly how I keep everything neat, functional, and looking good. So if you are looking for a little kitchen organization motivation, then be sure to stick around. Welcome back to the channel, my lovely family. Thank you for stopping by for another video. I'm excited to have you here, and hopefully your week is off to an amazing start. So last week I wasn't able to post, so guys, I leave messages on the community post, because if I'm not able to do anything, I just don't want you to leave you guys in limbo. So I leave messages there as to if I'm posting or I've posted somewhere like, okay, thank you. So I'm excited to have you all here, especially my returning subscribers. I love you guys. I'm so thankful for your love and support as always. And if you are new here, you are so welcome, and you are welcome to this amazing family. Yes, a big shout out to you all. So thank you for being here. Okay, so let's dive into this video. I'm so excited. Okay, so starting with the fridge, I moved out all the groceries and I wiped it down. So usually I stock it for the week and keep it organized so I can see everything at a glance. Clear bins and labels, guys, have made a huge difference for me. I didn't label them this time because I couldn't find my stickers, but it was clear enough to see though, and it was late for me to order for another. So we will go with just the clear bins, but you can use the labels if you so desire. Okay, so now I'm placing the drinking organizer.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building bios with my friends.
And next, I'm bringing in those genius egg holders I've had for some time now from Ross. And I'll search online and link all items in this video if you guys are interested. So after arranging this storage bins organizer, this is how they're looking, and I love the arrangement so far. Okay, now let's fill them with some goodies. Okay. All right, so I actually left the fridge door untouched because I didn't need any stock for that area, so I left it as it is. All right, okay, I'm starting with some of my favorite drinks. Drinking healthy, they're healthy drinks to me too. And so let's arrange this with tall, medium, and small, just like the convenience stores, you know, and facing all the drinks so it will be easy to know, you know. All right, so
And I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell him give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on that leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss.
I'm bringing in my yogurt naan, followed by the eggs. I was trying to be careful so I don't break any of the eggs, considering how expensive they are now, you know.
Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change.
Alright, so next I'm adding my berries. Usually I place paper towel at the bottom, although they have bottom drain holes. They catch any dripping moisture, because remember guys that they can still collect water, especially after being washed. So I am always careful to put some paper towel at the bottom, even though it does have some holes. I mean, you don't want any puddles and sticky messes and even mildew, you know, on your fruit. So I try to really put paper towel. Okay, so I continued with the same paper towel process for all the fruit and the salad. Oh,
I'll always have you. Love's a tattoo. Oh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you?
and I love the stackable meat container, guys. They are airtight and well secured. When I say hair secured, it's really secured. I love it so much. when you put your meat in, it stays for quite some days. I love it. Okay, so I'm adding in the container some bacon, cheese, and sliced turkey for when we want a quick sandwich or something, you know.
Ain't hearing nothing, I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you stay.
Alright, so now I'm about stocking the vegetable to bring in some color to beautify the fridge as well. And at the bottom I stored my colored peppers on one side of the bin and more fruits on the other side.
And I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day, I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in the prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls, the world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who, when they see me out, booked it cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go, Miami, let's fucking go, Chicago, let's fucking go, Reno, let's fucking go, Houston, let's fucking go, Atlanta, let's fucking go, Tokyo, let's fucking go, Brazil, let's fucking go, London, let's fucking go, South Africa, let's fucking go, Korea, let's fucking go, New York, let's fucking go, Toronto, let's fucking go, Paris, let's fucking go, Nigeria, let's fucking go, DC, let's fucking go, Malaysia, let's fucking go, trees, new beach, we be out on the coast, swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most.
And this is how it's looking at the bottom. And the colorful, beautiful. Okay, so now that we've tackled the fridge, let's move on to the drawers. I DIY the inside because it was too dark. I could have just placed the liner, but you know, I wanted the side and side to be covered as well. So I decided to use a black and white marble contact paper just to bring in the contrast. And this is how it looks so far. Okay, so now starting with this adjustable flatware organizer with dividers, I'm placing those beautifully embossed cutlery sets from my dazzlingdecor.us.
Nigeria, let's fucking go. DC, let's fucking go. Malaysia, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
And I followed with this pretty spatulas from Amazon, and knives. They are so beautiful. I love the white and gold blend. these magnetic spoons with its leveler, and this is how they are looking as well. So glad I've finally given those drawers life.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be.
Alright, so now that we are done, let's tackle the second drawer. This is really the definition of a hot mess, guys. Alright, but it's going to change. It's going to be changed, yes. So I'm placing this wooden spice jar holders. So now let's go get the spices in their bottles, okay? Let's go, and at this point I will leave you guys to enjoy the music, okay? And I'll come back and say something chippy if I need to. Thank you. Whoever came with these idea of spice jars and labels is genius. It is so easy to access. So bye bye, clutter.
Must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah. What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you hate me,
right, now let's take a look of how we did, guys. Oh my, oh wow, it's amazing how a few simple changes can make such a big difference, guys, in a small kitchen. I'm so happy with how everything came together. The fridge looks clean, organized, and fully restocked. And both the spice and flatware drawers are now so easy to use and beautiful to look at. Look at that. I'm so happy. I finally declared it and made this look so gorgeous. Thank you all thank you guys for hanging out with me. And I hope you got some ideas to help make your kitchen just as cozy and functional. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new or haven't already subscribed. Please comment, share, and like. And until next time, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. And bye-bye.
Like a king, if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born